Right now, we're looking at the back of a 2024 Toyota Tacoma, and as you can see, this is really all you have to tie down in the back. The product that we are reviewing today, it's a tie down that will essentially go over, it uses these existing bolts, and then you have this other one, which is just going to go in the same spot over here, and then you'll be able to actually tie down something just in this part of the bed. So you're really only going to need one thing that you may not already have in your garage, and that is this T55 bit. This is what it'll look like. Again, it's a pretty massive bolt. Just put it directly over the hole, and then take this bolt and put it directly above it and screw it in on both sides. Tightening this up. We are now tightening down the other side here. Once you have everything installed, you want to make sure you have these facing this direction so they do not slide back and forth. You can actually move them anywhere you want on this whole track. Go ahead and get your straps out and strap them here. And there we go. We are fully strapped, nice and tight, not going anywhere. Absolutely needed for anyone that hauls things in the bed of their truck.